Alright, I really have to work on my Duolingo. I just try and tell them that they're carrying a baby, but I need to learn some words and more words in Spanish for beekeeping terms. Alright, let's see how this is going to go. Alright, let's try this here. Alright, now it's without a hitch, really. Alright, so I'm not going to put this honey super back on. I'm just going to put it, all these empty ones on top of here, and close these guys off right here. And that way, not a near honeybee is going to waste his time or her time trying to worry about what's up in there. And that little ounce of nectar or pollen they bring in is not going to be spent up here. Alright. Oh, goodness. I do need to make sure that I have some form of beetle trap. You know, you take one guy that invents the cure for Varroa mite, which is the biggest threat we have as far as pests. It's the biggest reason that many of us lose our hives is the Varroa mite. And say you get a guy that discovers the solution to that. And you have another guy that studies the small hive beetle and comes up with a solution. And who's going to be celebrated the most? It's going to be the guy that cures the small hive beetles or gets rid of the small hive beetles. Even though they are terrible, they're not the worst thing to have. They're opportunistic, where the Varroa mite is a detriment to your hive.